Take your photography and content creation to the next level with the Eucos 62 phone tripod, a durable, versatile, and lightweight tripod designed for iPhone, Android, and more. Built with nylon 6x6 materials and reinforced aluminum locks, this tripod is engineered for strength, flexibility, and long-lasting performance. At just 12.8 ounces, it's lightweight enough for travel, yet tough enough to handle everyday use. The fast-lock aluminum rings ensure quick setup, while the sturdy legs keep your shots stable no matter the surface. What sets this tripod apart is its 2-in-1 functionality. Use it as a standard tripod for professional-level stability, or extend it into a selfie stick for capturing group shots, vlogs, or TikTok content on the go. With a smooth, telescoping design, it extends up to 62 inches, giving you the height and framing flexibility you need for everything from family photos to cinematic angles. The rotation head and precision-crafted mount adapter make it easy to switch between horizontal, 45 degrees, or vertical positions. Paired with the Bluetooth remote, you can snap selfies, record video, or go hands-free during live streams, all without touching your phone. Compatibility is never an issue. This tripod fits smartphones from 2.0 to 3.6 inches wide, securely holding devices like the iPhone 13 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and many others. Plus, with a universal 1/4 screw mount, it works with cameras, action cams, and GoPros, making it the perfect multi-role tripod for both beginners and professionals. Whether you're filming YouTube videos, streaming on Instagram Live, recording TikToks, or just capturing memories on the go, the Eucos 62 tripod delivers the stability, flexibility, and quality you need, all at an incredible value. Upgrade your setup and capture every moment with confidence, because with Eucos, every shot is picture perfect.